Borongan City.
First quarter. El Inyo Tacloban versus Borongan City. Elimination round. Ang mananalo nito will advance. Sure ball ang third placer. Intertown Basketball Girls for the Fiesta of Santo Niño, Kinapundan Eastern Samar Fiesta 2026. Borongan City versus El Inyo Tacloban City. Jumper ang center, number 5,
First position, Borongan.
number 3.
No good. Agawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number 11.
Sipa ang bola. Bola ng Borongan.
Number 0, finds teammate. Pass to number 4, umatake. No good.
Follow up.
Put back. Ni number 9, good for 2.
Number 9.
Here comes Selenyo, number 16.
16. Labas.
Turnover. Nakuha ni number 10.
To number 4. 3 points.
3 points by number 0.
Number 0.
Number 16. Umatake.
Take. Lucky bounce.
For 2.
For 2. Ay, number 16.
There's a violation. Turnover committed by number 9.
Number 1. Block by number 5.
Dito mo siya number 0.
Outside.
Turnover.
Turnover.
Minutes and 40 remaining time for the first quarter. Number 15, Pudo. Umatake using the glass, good for 2.
Sinti class.
Official score, 4-5. Borongan.
Pass to number 9. May kasama pang
First
foul.
foul, basket and 1. But it down. Foul.
Bonus throw. Pass it.
Even play
4 points
by
play.
number 9.
Number 16.
Here comes Pudo.
Bundok.
Finds teammate, pass to number 15.
Number 15.
Umatake, there's a whistle, basket and 1.
And 1. Nice play.
Basket down, foul.
Bonus free throw by number 15. Wala. Rebound by number 15.
Extra 6 minutes. The score, Didlang, 8.
8. 5 minutes and 52 seconds. First quarter.
Number 0, pass to number 9.
Borongan.
Balik kay number 0. Number 0, umatake.
Wala.
No good. Number 16. Donaretsa. No good. Rebound by number 3. Oops. There's a whistle.
Nakatira wala. Timat Uyas. Rani Malateo.
Basket. Number 10. What a physical pass. Hindi lang nakompleto.
Sayang, di pumasok. Ang ganda
Here
pasa.
comes Selenyo Falcons. Number 16. Backdoor pass by number 51. Turnaround shot. Good for 2.
Yun.
Number 7. Pinapantayan number 16. And Paligachu. 5.
May foul. Number 4.
There's a whistle. Number 21. Pass to number 15. Balik ka number 21, but turnover. Behind the pass.
Substitution. O'Doherty in.
Number 14 in, number 4 out. Boronga. Pasok na sa 5.
Nice.
Naka-play yun.
Noble. 0-5.
Coming by number 5.
Score 11-10.
Number 16. Crossover.
Traveling.
There's a traveling variation. Exactly 4 minutes. Number 10. Balik sa number 10. Tumatake. Number 7. Saksak. Silang dalawa. Okay, tanda. Okay. Foul number 16. Pushing foul. Push. Second through. Wala friend. Ibang ulit ng Boronga. 10 to make it shoot. 5. Number 5 left. Naagawan. Number 16. 15 to make it shoot. Pass to number 13. Short.
Pal.
Number 15. Almost taken naked.
Man by O'Doherty.
Rebound number 14. Pass to number 0, the captain of Barangay. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 5.
Nice.
Pass to the line.
5.
50 seconds shoot.
3
Number
points.
21, naked. Rebound number 10. Number 10, rebound.
Foul.
Third foul.
Body contact. Dalawang tira. Pasok. Number 16.
2 minutos, 20 segundos. Number 16, turning the ball. Number 0, number 10, number 9, basket down, may kasama pang foul.
Foul. Bonus throw. No good. Rebound by number 3, Abelenyo. To number 15, to number 16, Abelenyo. Bundok. To number
10
3,
seconds to shoot.
traveling. Substitution. Number 12 and number 7 in.
1 minuto, 47. 56 shoot, another
No.
turnover. Number 12.
Wala.
Rebound number 7.
Sayang.
Number 9. Basket na naman. Back-to-back points. George number 9. 1 minute and 20.
1 minute and 20 first quarter. Score 11-17
56 shoot.
in favor of Elenio. Number 15. Wala. Sayang. Pangalawang tira. Basket again.
Ulit. Exactly 1 minute seconds to play. 10 seconds to shoot. There's a traveling violation committed by jersey number 9. Number 15.
Nasa sa kalaban.
Nasa hukay. Number 10.
Saktong pasa. As 35 seconds.
30. No shot clock, 20.
Foul.
First foul.
Number 3.
Unang pera.
Wala.
Quince. Juice. 5.
That's the end of first quarter. Score 13-19
Time for the first quarter.
favor of LNU.
Official run score 13-19.